and you and me. No matter how we toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me. So happy together. So how is the weather? If I could call you up, but I really cannot call you up. Hey everybody, how's it going? So, it's day 2 of the same repair. I had to order another retimer. This one, my friends, this one just wasn't cutting the mustard. So, chaps, let's take it off and then put a new one. Put one that will cut the mustard. I don't know why people cut mustard, but people do a lot of strange things in England. They do write some good music. Well, let's go. Call you up. Ease my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine. Do. Fume extractor on. Love those little creepers. Alright. Gonna try to do this really quick tonight, so I can get to my next repairs, because I got... my queue is filling up. Someone's getting popular. Let's put a little bit of flux. Not a lot. Just so you know that I know that you know. You know that I know that you know. Come on. And now I think about it, I don't really need to take off this. I think I'm a creature of habit. I don't need to take it off at all. It's my own stuff. Could I put some more of my own stuff? There's something on there. A little bug or something. Okay, let's get the retimer I see. And there's our beautiful retimer. All ready to go. You know, I'm wearing gloves, but I could have taken it off a nicer way. Okay. Alright. Oh, it's still small enough for me to hang on. Or it's just lucky. Sometimes they don't hang on when they're this big. Like a capacitor like that, it'll hang on if it's just on one end like that. So I was like, what the? What's going on here? Make sure it's all lined up. Actually, that's pretty good alignment right there. 330 30 when I'm Putting these puppies back on. Huh. Maybe I need more. Alright, no more Mr. Nice Guy. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Is that like a Megadeth song? Man, that's so 80s. So dated. Be careful. Come on. A little bit more to the right. Okay, I think we're good there. This is when I like to pull the board off to the edge and look at it from the... Look at it, kind of like underneath the chips almost. Oh, those are nice. Well, you saw my other one, I did a good job. Yep, looks like we did a good job on this one too. Oh yeah. That one has a big bubble. Hot. Board's still hot. I think I see one on the right. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, yeah. Mushy, mushy. Shout out to my buddy Roshamar. Mushy, mushy. Let's put some flux on there, why not? Yeah. I think we have a lot of solder just right there alone. Alright, looks good. Oh, something fell. It's like I'm painting, you know? No, we already... Are you serious? We done? Are we really done? Oh no, we got enough flux there. This right here on this end a little bit. And also the middle over here. I think we're good. I don't know, I feel pretty confident today. I feel like it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Horny capacitors. Yeah, it's horny because look, it has a horn, okay? Don't get any ideas. Yeah. Frickin' pussy willows. Yeah. Drying off the board, cleaning it up. Check it out on all angles. And it's time to plug it all in. That angle looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. That's it. Alright. Here's our old retimer. That didn't work. Time to plug it all back. The Xbox Series Xbox X. Xbox One X. There we go. Too many X's. Xbox got to stop using X's. Seriously, Xbox company, stop using X's. Don't call Xbox Series X 1, X8. No more. No more X's. You guys are done. Alright? Confuse me. You confuse me. Stop confusing me. Stop it. So we'll be back after a short commercial break. Yeah, so I'm sure that some people are thinking, why would you put it all back together if you haven't tested and everything? Well, because this is the last test. This is the point. If it works, great, putting it all back. If it doesn't work, well, that's too bad. But it'll be a no fix. So either way, it's going all back together at this point. Can't spend any more time on this console, but I feel pretty confident. I feel like it's gonna work. Power, never say never. Okay, where's the... Alright. Something's happening. Yeah, baby. That is right. And that is what we do here at Trílex Fix. Well, thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know all the jazz. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Have a good night.